Is this the new technology that would allow property developers to receive a royalty on every future resale? Well, what blockchain technology introduced was programmable money. So you've got currency and code coming together as a single programmable digital asset. And the same thing's happening now with the tokenization of real estate assets. It's creating blockchain-based, programmable digital assets based on real-world properties. And at Sucuro, we're using that programmability to introduce a number of efficiencies for property owners. Just for example, with our government partners, working to bring land tax or property tax payments on chain, which means that if I'm a property owner, my income that comes in each period, a portion of that can automatically go to pay my land tax liability, which creates an efficiency. And for the government, because that payment is automatic based on the terms that I've set, it means that my enforcement expenses to monitor and collect that property tax payment come down to zero. So it's efficient for them as well. There are lots of other sort of applications that we're looking at for this technology. And recently I was asked, is this the new technology that would allow property developers to receive a royalty on every future resale? And actually it could be. And if you accept that property developers are businesses, not charities, they've got to make a profit at some time, deferring that profit into the future might actually be win-win for the purchaser and the developer. For the purchaser, particularly, for example, they're a first home buyer, they might want to have a lower cost of entry now and defer the property developer's profit portion to later purchasers of that asset. And similarly, a property developer, they might want to defer their profit, for future cash flows to meet, future development expenses, for example. So that there are lots of applications, and it's not just the developer. It could be, the builder, the architect. Everyone sort of programmed into receiving a future part of their profit from this development. And again, that could really bring down the initial purchase price for a new home buyer.